Yalla yalla ya Abu Abdullah. Yes, I'm aware of them. They are still active. Yes, how do I give da'wah to my sister because there are feminists? That's a long lecture too. By learning Islam. And when you learn Islam and you're unapologetic about it, then you go on the offensive as opposed to the defensive. That's what it boils down to me. I am of the opinion, and that's one of the reasons why we appreciate Brother Daniel, or Daniel, because a lot of people always tripping over him, that you are with him or against him. It's never been about with him or against him. I've heard some things about him that I need to investigate, but until then, that one thing I appreciate, which I've been doing for many years, but maybe not as successfully, is that I am not apologetic about Islam. If you watch my lectures in Malaysia, whenever I've given lectures in Malaysia, especially during the Q&A, people would really slam me with some loaded questions. And I've never been apologetic. I've never said, sorry, this is what it is. I've always told them the truth, and if they didn't like it, they could just bang their heads against the wall. Everybody who knows my da'wah knows that. So how do you deal with the feminists? By bringing it right on their head. By smashing it right on their head. What do you mean you're a feminist? Feminist, my foot. The whole world has been living in what they call the patriarchy. It's always been men in charge. Forever. All human societies. Prophets were men. Leaders were men. The husband has been given authority. Now people want to come and switch roles and give women, make women men. Yeah, we already have enough men. Why would we need women to become men also so we can have more men? And then the men will become women to make up and balance them all out. So why are you changing what Allah created? That's just really what it boils down to. Why are you trying to switch roles? If you say, no, I'm not saying to this extreme. I'm just saying that women are entitled to more rights. We say, okay, let's see. Are those rights endorsed by the Quran and the Sunnah? Alhamdulillah. If not, are you now opposing Allah? You give him that lesson. Are you wiser than Allah? You want to give women a law, a right, a privilege that Allah did not decree for them because you know better than Allah what He needs to do? Oh, please. What kind of Muslim are you, and what kind of submission is that? If you're a Muslim, you would never say something like this. You know what I'm saying?